In this video, you will learn how easy it is to set up the Endeavor 5000 series. Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the box. The light-duty shaker or microplate shaker, a power supply, a power cord, a non-skid rubber mat included with the light-duty shaker. This versatile shaker can handle a variety of accessories, thanks to its tray hole openings. Carefully unpack the shaker and check for any damage that may have occurred during shipping. Place the shaker on a level bench, incubator, or table away from explosive vapors. Optimize your shaker. It thrives anywhere from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, but avoid cold starts. Up to 80% humidity is fine, just watch for condensation. Simple tips for smooth shaking. The Endeavor 5000 is more than just a shaker. Let's take a look at its key features. Tucked neatly at the back of the unit, you'll find the RS-232 port and DC power connector. The simple toggle switch provides effortless control. The crystal clear LCD keeps you informed of time and speed. Fine-tune your timer with a dedicated timer knob. Stay informed with the intuitive indicator lights. The run speed indicator lets you know when the unit is shaking, while the timer status indicator provides clear feedback in both timed and continuous modes. The dedicated speed knob gives you precise control over your shaking intensity. Now let's get started with the installation. Secure the shaker to a stable work surface by firmly pressing its corners down, avoiding the tray. Plug the power supply into the power jack on the back of the unit. Then plug the power cord into a standard grounded outlet. Your Endeavor 5000 is now installed and ready to use.